In this video, we're going to talk about creating sliders. For the home page, we have a banner, and you also have the option of having a slider or banner on the blog page. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the back end, and we're going to start on the home page slider. Alright, so I'm in the homepage slider area, and right now we can see these three default ones that we've set up. So let's go ahead and just create a new one from scratch. So I'll do add new. Obviously, you can do add new from this banner selection. Excuse me, this admin selection right here. And I'm going to delete this. I'm just going to do this test delete for now. It's my title. I'm going to go ahead and drop some text in here. Lorem, Ipsum, whatever, text, we are awesome, whatever. Alright, then what I want to do is go ahead and set our featured image, and our featured image is what's going to fill up this large area here, whether you're on the blog or on the home page. It's the same thing. Okay, set featured image. Now what I can do is pull from my media library. So for instance, right now this is what's already in my library. I can pull from here, or I can upload a new one. So if I want to go to upload, I can set up a new one. But just to keep it quick and easy, I'm just going to use one we already have. I'm going to select this one. No, that one's not big enough. Need to find a large enough picture. There we go, that one's big enough. Set featured image. There we can see our picture. Now what we'll see down here is slide link. So if someone clicks it, is it going to go somewhere? You'd paste that in. So for instance, it's going to go. You can copy and paste a URL address. So it can't be www, like this. It's got to be the whole URL with the HTTP link in it. So if I do this one, something like that, it can't be like this. Won't work. But for now, I'm just going to do a little number sign because it kind of tricks the system into thinking there's a excuse me, a link when there's not. All right, next, let's see here. Sorry about that. I have a little bit of a cough attack. Next is show the info. So let's go ahead and publish so I can show you what that is. Publish this. We're set. I'm going to refresh this home page. That's the first one. So what we'll see here is test delete, and then we'll see that, that little silly text I put in there. Test delete the title, right here, and then the text that's in the box obviously is right here. Now, the show info basically shows that information. So if I choose no, here we are. And we have no text information, so let me go back. That might have went too fast. See, no text. So you can choose to have text or no text. Entirely up to you. To quickly order this thing, what we have is an order. Right here, you see that order. It can start at 0 or you can start at 1, entirely up to you. And if I go look at this one, welcome to Debonair, it says order 1, so technically that would be the first one. So the attribute will order this thing. So let's go ahead and do 4. And this should now become last. Okay, so welcome Debonair, our first one. And if I click the last one, the bottle we added. So you can quickly order it. I also use a plugin on a lot of these themes, and this same, you don't see it here because I don't have it for the demo because we don't necessarily need it. But what you'll see is in this same section you'll say reorder post. You click it and you can actually reorder manually by dragging and dropping, or this way, up to you. Let's go check out the blog slider. On the blog, this is assuming that your blog is going to actually have a slider. There is an option, if you don't remember, I actually should have went there first. In the theme options panel for, I can't remember where this is at. Blog settings, duh. I could have sworn we put an option to pull off the slider on the blog page. Alright, so ignore that part. That's my mistake. I thought we did that. I might want to have us do that. I'm not sure at this point. I mean, this looks nice on a blog page. I don't know why you wouldn't want to have that. So for now, ignore that part. We might change it. We might add it. But anyways, some of our themes have an option to where you can turn the blog slider on or off. We don't on this one. Anyways, the blog slider is going to work the same way as the home slider. So other than it looks a little bit different, and this is your text. So if I did this, then I did my link. Here's my image, obviously. You update this. One, two, and we're getting no text. Alright. That's a fix. So at this time, again, ignore that. But basically, this is where you enter your first line of text. And just so you understand what's going on, the home page, we have our first line, which would be this, our title, and then this. Whoops. The second section of text. Because this is not a blog, because this is programmed differently, it's set up a little bit differently. So you're probably thinking, wow, why does this one have a section here, and then it's into your text, but this one has these fields, and that's just because it's a blog and it just works a little bit different. That's as easy as that. However, it should work. So what I'll do is take care of that. In the meantime, let's just pretend this text would show up if you type text into the blog, and I'm going to have that corrected. Alright, hopefully the ending of this was not too confusing, and it should be easy for you.